Every minute, somewhere in our oceans, a fish mistakes glittering plastic for food. It sees a floating fragment, drawn in by curiosity, unaware of the danger. For these creatures, plastic pollution doesn't look like trash. It looks like dinner. But what starts as a simple mistake turns into a silent killer. Researchers revealed that by 2050, nearly 90% of all marine species will have encountered plastic waste. Toxins from this plastic enter their bodies, travel up the food chain, and ultimately reach our plates. And it's not just big pieces. Plastic breaks down into tiny, almost invisible particles, microplastics. These fragments are now found in the most remote corners of our oceans, from coastal waters to the deepest trenches. This is why our letter F stands for fish ingestion, a crisis we can still prevent. Through Samudra Manthan, we are fighting to keep these waters clean and safe. Since we began, we have kept thousands of metric tons of plastic out of the ocean, protecting marine life from harmful waste. But this isn't a battle we can win alone. We need your help. Small changes, like disposing of waste properly, can make a big difference. Together, we can turn the tide. Be part of the movement. Visit recycle.com and learn how we are protecting our oceans for generations to come.